Yep.
Alright, just checking to see you're here.
You're not even allowed to be here. There's no trespassing.
Oh, okay, well,
Can you get off my property, please?
We're just gonna let you know the door on this vehicle is open.
your back door's open there, Ace. You might want to close it so your battery doesn't die.
Okay, can you please get off my property? Please?
Here's
You have,
your-
you have no trespassing to be here.
What are you saying? I have a no trespass?
Yeah.
Personally, me?
I serve the Quinny West OPP. You're not supposed to be on my property.
When you're off conditions,
There is no condition for me to have a door knock, so please get off my property. You're harassing me.
am I? Okay.
Yes, you are.
14846 is my badge. Feel free to place a call.
I will.
Close your door so your battery doesn't die, okay? Have a good evening, sir.
Stop harassing me.
Okay, sir.
This is called harassment. I will be placing suit against your police department.
Okay, well, we're done talking. Have a good one. Your door's open.
I don't care.
Well, your battery will die.
What I care is my neighbor's not seeing you on my property.
Well, have a good evening.
Oh, I was until you came here. You don't seem to care, do you?
Not so much.
No, what about putting somebody in jail for 8 years for something they didn't do? Because your fucking goof buddies want to work out with their neighbor and put me in jail.
We're done with you. We're on to this one. Have a good night.
Oh, wow, so you're doing rounds now letting everybody know that what? We're not doing nothing? You're harassing the whole fucking neighborhood, assholes.
Take your cost of service in a second.
Move.
No,
No, I'm filming this.
no.
Yeah, it's being filmed. It's not going on any longer. The city hall's going to hear about this.